The fastest way to make money online. No one talks about this. You've been lied to. Surveys won't make you rich. Dropshipping is oversaturated. And affiliate links? They only work if you've got an audience. So what actually works in 2025? What if I told you there's a new method? 0 products, 0 ads, no upfront cost, that people are quietly using to earn $200 to $500 a day from their laptops. And you've probably never heard of it? It's called Value Loop Monetization. Here's how it works in 3 steps. Step 1. Use AI to generate high-demand content in under 10 minutes. Step 2. Plug that content into automated funnels that convert visitors into customers without even speaking to anyone. Step 3. Send traffic from short-form videos like this one. No dancing, no cringe. The secret sauce? You don't sell, you solve. And the tool that makes it work? You'll find it on the website linked below. If you want a plug-and-play system that's already built for you, with all the templates, automation, and training included, then don't waste time. Click the link in the description right now and get instant access to the method that's helping people make real money online in 2025. You're either ahead of the curve or left behind. See you inside.